Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're struggling with stubborn white roots that seems to reappear after just one wash, then today's video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how I cover my resistant gray roots using only natural shades 6 or 7 mixed with the developer number 9. This method gives beautiful natural looking coverage and helps the white roots blend seamlessly with the rest of your hair. Now it's time for application. I always start by sectioning my hair into 4 sections. This makes it easier to ensure every white root gets covered properly. I begin applying the color directly onto the root, starting at the center parting and then move to the hairlines and temple areas where white hairs are usually most noticeable. Make sure to completely saturate every white hair. Don't rush this step because stubborn gray hair needs enough product to absorb the color eventually. Leave the color to process for about 245 minutes. After processing, it's time to rinse and wash and condition your hair as usual. It's time to show the result. As you can see, the result is soft, shiny, with beautiful gray coverage that blend naturally with the rest of my hair. So for covering stubborn white roots, always choose good developer and natural tone to not be worried to fade after one wash. Don't forget to share your experience and leave a comment below letting me know which shade works best for your hair. Thank you for watching.